Hey, welcome again to Decent TNC. If it is your first time, do subscribe, like and share this video. The flyover bridge at Kicukiro began to be used. Construction and widening of the Kicukiro Centre road is nearing completion, and the bridge, which is currently under construction, has begun to be used by vehicles even though it is not fully completed. As of Monday this week, vehicles have been set up to open the intersection. Expansion of the road began late last year, with the goal being to complete the work by June this year. At the moment, it looks like work is on its way to the end, even though there is still a lot of work to be done.